Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over the currency pairs for the coming week, the main currency pairs. We're going to break them down and look for potential trading opportunities that we have on this coming week. Now, if that sounds interesting, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. We're going to start off with DXY. Obviously, we can see DXY is in a downtrend. There's no doubt about that. As we had a high, we had a low, we had a lower high, lower low, and then prices on Friday closed with forming a bearish engulfing candlestick, completing a lower low and an evening star pattern on a 0.78 Fibonacci key level, confluencing with a descending trendline pattern. Now, all of these are confluences that indicate for the coming week, the DXY has a very high probability to keep on pushing lower, right? So according to our edge, that's what we're going to be anticipating to see happen. We're going to anticipate to see prices keep on pushing lower until at least the most recent low before we actually see how prices will react to this structure. Now, for the coming week, we'll be anticipating to see prices push lower, and once they reach here, that's when we'll decide how prices will react once they reach here to see our next possible move. So if DXY is going to be pushing lower the coming week, how is that going to be affecting other currency pairs? Obviously, with USDJPY, we're going to anticipate to see prices keep on pushing here, keep on pushing lower until it reaches here. That will be our anticipation for the coming week. With EURUSD, obviously, we're going to anticipate to see prices push higher as we had a low, we had a high, we had a higher low, higher high. So we're going to anticipate to see prices push from where they are to up here. As you can see, prices on EURUSD formed with a morning star. Prices closed with a morning star. So I'm anticipating to see a continuation from where they are to the next market structure. Same thing with GBPUSD, because obviously, as we understand, GBPUSD is positively correlated to EURUSD. So we'll be looking for buys on this pair for prices to keep on pushing until it reaches somewhere up there. Same thing with gold, positively correlated with EURUSD. We'll be looking for this to push until it reaches somewhere there. Right? So that's what I'm anticipating to see on the US dollar based pairs. I'm anticipating most of them that have the US dollar as the quote currency to be bullish, while as those that have the US dollar as the base currency to be bearish. Now let's look at JPY. What's happening with JPYX, the Japanese yen basket? Obviously, we understand that the JPYX is inversely correlated to the DXY. So now that the DXY will be bearish, the JPYX is most likely going to be bullish. So this is from the daily perspective. If we look at it from the 4-hour perspective, we can actually see that prices did break above this structure, gave us a retest, and it's most likely going to keep on pushing higher until it reaches this structure up here. So that's what we're going to be anticipating happen on JPYX and the JPYX pairs such as EuroJPY, which is inversely correlated to JPYX. As you can see, this was the most recent low. Structures broke below that, and what we're going to be looking for is for prices to keep on pushing lower until they reach these lows down here. right? So that's what we're anticipating to see happen on EuroJPY. Same thing applies with CAD-JPY. Although the structure and the trend has already started taking off, we're obviously anticipating to see prices keep on pushing lower, as this was the most recent low. And prices, we're going to anticipate them to keep on pushing lower until somewhere down here. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on CAD-JPY. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on the JPYX based pair, and what I'm anticipating to see happen on the DXY pairs. I'm anticipating to see the DXY to be weak and the JPYX to be bullish. So obviously that's just my anticipation and that's just my edge. Obviously my bias may change according to how the markets will keep on unraveling as they keep on opening. So that's why I like to open, that's why I like to actually also share my analysis in the middle of the week on Wednesday, so that we can actually see how the markets have evolved and how we can actually finish the week strong. You don't want to miss that out, so be sure to subscribe, share with a few friends that you believe will like this video, and if you also find value in it, consider giving us a like and share in the comments below what you'd like us to talk about next. Till next time guys, I appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Peace.